Welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making delicious Jamaican Fry Dumplings. Here I have the gold medal on bleach all-purpose flour. You can use any flour of your choice. Salt for taste, baking powder for fluffiness and softness, and water to knead my flour. Sometimes I substitute the water for milk, and at times I add butter and sugar to my mixture, but today I am keeping it easy and simple. To my ingredients, I am adding the baking powder and salt. Then I am going to mix thoroughly to integrate the ingredient. I will now add water gradually to my mixture, and I do this so I can have full control of the mixture because I really don't want to get a watery dough. My ends are clean, so I'm going to dig in, and you can watch me while I put the flour together. My dough is coming together perfectly, and I want to make sure that I get all the flour that is in the bowl. See, I now have a perfect dough, and I will cover it with plastic wrap and leave it on my counter for 30 minutes. Sometimes I left it to sit overnight in my refrigerator, but I'm feeling for fried dumplings at the moment, so I'm only leaving it to sit for 30 minutes. In case you don't have the plastic wrap, you can use a clean kitchen towel to cover the dough. My dough has been sitting for 30 minutes, so I will remove the plastic wrap. And as you can see, my dough is very soft to touch. I'm now gonna divide my dough into small sizes, and you don't want to make the size very big because when you're frying them, they will double in size because of the baking powder. I am done separating the dough, so I will now roll them to make my dumplings. I put the dough in one of my hands, and then I use the other end that is on the top to roll the dough into a circular motion. Watch carefully how I only move the end that is on the top of the dough. See, they are all done. So now I will go ahead and fry them. In this pot, I have canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice. My oil has already been preheated on medium heat. So now I will add my dough. want to make sure to turn your dumplings as you see fit because you don't want to burn them. But at the same time, you want to make sure the center of the dumplings are well cooked and you want to have a nice golden color. I am now removing the dumplings from the oil and I will be setting them on a paper towel to drain. Voila! There you have some nice golden dumplings, and you can choose to serve it with anything of your choice, whether it be vegetables, meat, fish, but today I'll be serving mine with some ackee and saltfish. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.